I have been looking for the perfect storage bins and finally found them, and I'll tell you why. For our business, I have been looking for storage bins that I can quickly move around and store things without getting dust inside. I knew I wanted something hard like a box so I can stack it, rather than a cloth-like material and something that I could use for other things later like toys, linens, and just additional household storage. And let me tell you, here it is. You saw how easily I just built the box. These are made out of plastic, but they're not a flimsy, easy to break or bend type of plastic. Each of these bins can hold up to 110 pounds, and that's significant and exactly what I needed. We got the 6-pack option, but the beauty of these is that you can start with 3 and continue to add more because they are stackable. We will continue to add to our bins as our inventory increases as well. These come compact like this, so once you're done using them, you can take the box apart just like you put it together and flatten it out for easy storage. That's especially helpful if you're moving. Actually, you can probably use this for moving too. And if that isn't good enough, they even have wheels on the bottom, so if it gets a little too heavy to carry, you roll it where you need. I still need to place our products inside, but take a look at it. This is how you open the doors. They click open and shut so the doors won't just fly open again, making it great for keeping dust out. I love the color combination. It's neutral and classy. Because they are stackable, you can stack them any way you want. These are different from any buildable organization bins I've seen or used in the past. They're worth it for sure.